miscalculated the, how should I say? I miscalculated the lesson, and I think we went too fast, although too fast.
Yeah, the thing is, if you went too fast at a certain section, what you need to do is you need to extend the time.
Mm, mm,
Extend the time in such a way that, let's say, example, vocab should be 10 minutes, and then you spent maybe 8 minutes. What you need to do is you lap 2 minutes, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you need to extend it in other parts.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Do you think you can do that? Because the thing is, Teacher Mia, in the actual class, you cannot go under time. Otherwise, there will be complaint. You
Yes,
cannot
PM.
do 48. You cannot do 49. It has to be minimum 50, uh, or a little bit over, but never ever under time.
Under.
It's just like, di ba, pag ESL, if it's 25 minutes, do you think you can do 24 minutes? Can you do it or not?
Mm, no.
Exactly. It's the same principle. How do you manage it this time?
Yeah, like I'm not quite sure. I think that something went wrong with my planning when I went through the lesson. Is it probably was on the between discussion and then the last part. Yeah, so like I think the one after the role play, I think went very short.
Yeah, the thing is, if the role play is 8 minutes, am I right?
Yes, I think
You
that
can
was
check
like
your
quite.
notes. Is it 8 minutes or yes or no?
I think that's more of like 8 minutes.
8 minutes, correct. Let's say you're done in 4 minutes. What should you do?
Extend like additional topics for the
No,
like
not additional topic, because role play has a
mm,
scenario.
mm,
What you need to do is, let's say, I'm the teacher, you're the student, and then we're done with the scenario, what we're supposed to do, right? Since you're done
like
already
yes,
and you're supposed to spend there 8 minutes, why don't we change the roles,
mm, yes, PM,
right? Then do another 4 minutes.
yes, PM.
And then
I think
let's say you're still short. Then you're done in maybe 6 minutes, but you need 2 more minutes. Your alarm hasn't been alarming. Then you can probably review some vocab or some expressions like, um, do you think this expression, can you use it in your own way? So there has to be a lot of tactics that a teacher can employ in order for her to extend. In that part, it is your teacher skills that will be coming into play. That's why I did not teach this part, because it's your teacher skills that will come into play. You know why the teachers under my team are excellent? Would you know why? Teacher Robin
mm,
has 50% buying rate. Do you know why?
mm, well,
How
I
I how
haven't
I
really heard.
taught you. How I taught you. Do you know why teacher can excel in this team? Can you guess?
More of like the teacher's ability to like have more knowledge on the lessons and handling the students.
Exactly. Because I don't say this is what you do. A. Next. B. Next. C. Next. I don't say that. Because you, as a teacher, you have your own strength, you have your own set of abilities, you have your own skill sets, your own knowledge. When you see the material, everything else will apply. You see that?
Yes.
In Tagalog, diskarte mo, teacher, diskarte mo. Doon lalabas yung galing mo. I will just tell you the structure. Ito yung class, ito yung website, ito yung timing mo, diskartehan mo. See that?
Yes.
So kung paano mo atakihin, how do you create rapport with this student? How do you create? I don't say with men do this, with female do this first. You don't. You do it. Bahala ka. Why? Because ang dami mong experiences that will come out once you just see the material. It's just like presentation or reporting in school, di ba?
Yes.
Bibigyan ka ng topic, bibigyan ka ng oras, then you report. You deliver. Doon lalabas yung galing ng estudyante. The same principle. So, but the moment, kunwari, sinabi ko sa estudyante, okay, I'm the teacher, I need you to report, maybe say something about that topic for 3 minutes or say something about that topic for 5 minutes. If the student cannot time, tama na ba yung time na binigay sa akin? In any activity for that matter, you need to speak at an engagement in 5 minutes. If you cannot manage your time, how? Because you're the only person who can do that, not the student. It's you, teacher. That's my question. How do you manage your time? How can you resolve it? Because actually it's time management ang naging problema natin primarily. Tell me how do you resolve it?
I think I'm gonna have to work more on the adding more activities when it comes to warm up and then the vocab, and I need to add more activity with expression, and then I need to like work. I think we lack too much on like expression. I think this is where I felt like it was like there was a hang, but then checking on the times like
Hang? What do you mean
yeah
hang?
I like we have like I shortened expression. Yeah, so I think that I have missed a little bit of I haven't elaborated too much
Okay,
on the
this is
expression.
what you do, Teacher Mia. Let's say, naubusan ka ng pag-uusapan. This is what you're saying, right?
Ah yes, ma'am.
Naubusan ka ng, you're done. I mean, hindi ka na you can't go on in this part because naubusan ka and you weren't able to prepare. But
Yes.
the duration is 50 minutes. It's total. Yes? So it means since meron ka pang other parts, meron kang discussion that you can go on. You get it? Go on in discussions. Or in GE, go on in speaking and free talk. Doon ka bumawi. Huwag ka lang mag-undermine. You get it?
Yes.
Kuha na?
Yes.
I hope kuha na. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm going to ask you to redemo. But really, I wanted to know if you can manage your time. Kasi kung talagang second redemo and then still under time, we have a big problem, Teacher Mia. Mag-over ka, don't aim for 50 minutes. Aim for maybe 52 minutes. So that kahit na ma-short ka ng 2 minutes, pasok ka pa sa 50 minutes. In fact, you can go 55 minutes if you like.
Yes.
Just for us to see that hindi ka under time. Yun ang gusto ko makita. Okay? You have a copy of your demo, right?
Yes, CM. I have
Were
it.
you able to see it?
Yes, CM.
Yeah. Parang madaming yellow.
I was like,
Can
it was
you,
like it multiplied.
yeah, ice breaking, can you please read this?
Show interest to student and ask follow-up questions. Have interaction.
Yeah, the thing is when you see some questions, right, in the material, don't just limit yourself to the question. Let's say, when you went on vacation, kunwari yun yung tanong, no? When you went on vacation, which places did you go to? So sumagot ako, oh, I went to this and that and that and that. Doon ka magfa-follow up question based on my answer. You get it? Hindi ka magfa-follow up question dun sa question number 2
Mm.
or question number 3. Follow up question based on my answer. You get it?
Yes, yeah.
Clear na?
Yes po.
Okay, let's move to vocab. Please, number 2.
Use the picture and example sentences to help the student understand the word.
Okay, in the vocab in business English, you can see a picture, right? And
Yes,
there's a
yeah.
meaning on the right side, correct?
Yes, yeah.
So what you need to do is after you have, let's say, the vocabulary is, can you give me an example of a vocab in business English?
Waterproof.
Waterproof. Is that business English?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, let's say it's waterproof. Then you're able to explain waterproof, and I understand it already. Yes, because what you need to do is to explain that word to me in a very easy manner. And then once I understood it, then look at this picture. Can you use waterproof in a sentence using this picture? That's how you use the picture. You get it?
Yes, yeah.
Please don't hesitate to ask me, Teacher Mia,
Yes,
if
po,
you
yeah.
have question.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yeah.
next would be this one.
Ask the student to build sentence for some of the words.
Okay, as I've mentioned, you can use the picture and then ask your student to create a sentence. One student understood it already.
Yes.
Okay,
Mhm.
next.
Recognize 80% of students' mispronunciation and grammatical or lexical mistakes. Write them down and give correction. If there are no mistakes, please give the student positive feedback.
Yeah. You know how to do this?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, just correct some mistakes, and then if there are no mistakes, oh, well done. You did great in this part. Okay. But so far, it's good that you were able to expand the knowledge because you were able to give some new words and expressions in this part. Am I right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, great. Next, in the role play, you can read it here.
And
The
uh,
teacher.
yeah, on the hip. So like the teacher suddenly interrupted the students just to give her correction. Yes, I think I remember this part.
Yeah. So you can delay your feedback after your student have spoken or has given his or her answer. Especially in the new GE,
Mm.
our feedback is always delayed. Yeah, so you can always, since this is a role play, patapusin mo muna si student mo.
Mm. Yes,
Yeah,
yeah. I think
maybe
that's
you
one
were
of the things I
nervous.
need. I was because she was like she suddenly opened her camera and I was like,
Again, sorry.
she like the first one was she didn't have a camera, but
Uh-huh.
the last night she actually opened her camera, so I was a little bit of like I'm getting rattled because like I can see facial expressions and movements, so I was like, okay, so I think I need to get used to having my students on camera.
I see.
Yes. Oh,
Na self-conscious ka because of the
yes,
cam.
yeah.
Okay, in the discussion, please, this one.
Okay, so teach at least two new words or expressions for each question during the discussion based on the student's level. I also do remember this one. I think we just I went on asking questions. Yep, I think this is what we did miss on that part.
Okay, what I need you to do is just to make sure you have at least two new words or expressions, in the class notes you can pre-prepare what you
Mm-hmm.
want to introduce based on the topic. It's about new products, right?
Yes, yeah.
So then maybe you can already put some words
Mm-hmm.
about new products, maybe new packaging. What are the four P's of products? Just like packaging, promotion, what else?
Mm-hmm.
Selling. I forgot the four P's. Packaging, promotion, uh, whatever.
Pricing, yeah,
Pricing,
pricing.
yes. So you can pre-prepare so that once you've seen your notes, you can just mention it once you're already in discussion.
Yes,
Okay?
yes,
The same here, you need to make some corrections and then you have to reflect that in class notes, okay?
yes.
And praise if there's no mistake.
Mm-hmm.
Next would be this one. Can you please
Mm-hmm.
read this?
Rate the overall level and 6 different aspects.
Okay, it seems that you weren't able to do the evaluation.
Yes, yeah. We
Why?
weren't able to do this part because, like, I was thinking of like I was going after with the like the lesson. So I was not really thinking of like giving the score. So probably on the GE, how do I call this? On the first demo on the GE, I don't think that I have seen the evaluation. I think that it already has a score, I guess. Yeah, so this was the part
It
where
has a
yep,
score. The thing
yes,
is, if it has a score, you can click again. You can
mm,
clear it and click again.
I did after class po.
After, what do you mean
Yeah,
after
like when we
class?
finished the class, like when I said, when I dismissed the students,
Mm,
that's when I realized that I could actually do click on it, and
mhm.
then yeah, do the evaluation for like after, like all of the classes.
Yeah, but why didn't you practice that before the demo so
But
that you know that you can actually click it?
'cause I was like a little bit preoccupied last night, Sam. That's why I was just going through the memory, like the ones that I had during
That you had during
the training po,
ah,
during
you
the
mean
yes,
there's a lot of things going on in your head. So
yes,
evaluation was the last thing in your mind. So
ESPM.
you weren't able to prepare for that properly.
Yes.
Okay. I guess if you did that, because evaluation is 3 minutes, correct? Then
Yes,
maybe
PM.
hindi ka auto-fail.
Mm,
Yeah, and then you will get the score here as well.
yes.
Then, homework, you don't need to teach the homework. You see the material, but you can just say you can do the homework on your own in your own free time, but you don't discuss it.
Yes.
Teacher, don't discuss it. Okay, after evaluation, you will just praise the student for good performance and then give suggestions on areas to work on. And that's it, finished.
Okay.
Okay, this one, please read.
To which students' mistakes?
This one, dear.
Ooh, so the teacher wrote down mistakes, but no corrections given.
Yeah, how come?
Because I am not quite sure about this part, Tim, but yeah, why did I just type that one? Huh.
Do you have an idea how to do that?
Yes, Tim. So like I'm supposed to like type it down and then give her the corrections. I think it also like slipped my mind because I was thinking of like not interrupting at some point, I guess. And
Mhm.
then I forgot to go back and give the correction.
Okay. So what you need to do is, as you go along, let's say introduction, type some corrections. You need to do it um, when you need to do it, right? Just
Yes,
like from warm up to vocab to expressions, then you can do for vocab you can do direct correction, right? But
yes,
later on, in let's say speaking or discussion, ganyan, you can delay your feedback because nag-uusap kayo eh. So delay the
yes,
feedback, right? And then whatever corrections you need to reflect in the class notes.
yes,
Yeah. And then speaking time of your student is more than 50%. Meaning to say, kung hindi nagpa-participate si student mo, you have to have some techniques on how to make your student speak more. Yeah. So have
yes,
some open-ended questions so that hindi ikaw yung salita ng salita. Siya dapat in
yes,
every part. And please do not make the mistake of, let's say you passed your demo. Um, the teachers who passed, there are 3 teachers who passed, and on their first trial class and on their first normal class pag nag-enroll na kasi sa'yo, it trial class kasi is it has evaluation.
mm, yes,
Please, if it's a trial class, you need to evaluate because all of the materials will be based on the level that you have given the student in that trial class. If you haven't evaluated, then what will be my material when I enroll in your class?
yes,
So maybe I won't enroll because I don't even know my level. Yeah.
yes, yes,
You understand the essence of evaluation during the trial class.
I see.
Because there were 3 teachers who passed the demo but did not evaluate during the first trial class. So, wag kang magpapadala sa it's your first class or you were nervous. You need to, that's the most important thing is to evaluate apart from correcting the mistakes.
Yes.
Otherwise, bakit pa nag-trial class sa'yo, teacher? Parang hindi ko
Po niya nag-i-static, so I was wondering kung saan nanggagaling yung ano, yung sound. Kasi
siya yung
I was
static.
like, opo, dun sa almost, nasaan na po ba kami nun? Maybe sa discussion na po ba? Kasi when she was speaking, yung ako na po yung may nakakarinig ng static po sa side ni student po.
Okay, so your examiner is Nikki, right?
Yes po.
Nikki, okay. All right, I will mention to her, and because I'm going to